Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the mcfu110u.dll is missing from your computer. This is a DLL file associated with the Microsoft Studio Visual C++ Redistributable pack. So we're going to jump into how to hopefully resolve this without too much of a hassle. And we're going to start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but I'm going to open up Google Chrome for this tutorial. Once your web browser is open, I would suggest navigating over to google.com. So once you're into Google, you want to type in Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio, and then you want to hit enter. I know I spelled redistributable wrong, but it shouldn't really affect the search results here. So you want to select the Visual Studio, one of the best results from Microsoft.com. Just left click on that one time. And now it's going to depend on if you're running a 32 or 64-bit computer, the actual downloads. Just take note of it. And if you don't actually get the one to download properly, it means you probably selected the wrong one. So I'm just basically just saying this before we even get onto the page we're about to go on here. But we're going to select English, and then we're going to select download. This is what I said. So if you're running a 64-bit version of the operating system, you're going to select the first one. If you're running a 32-bit version, you're going to run the times 86, which is also 32-bit. So times 86 is 32-bit for the purpose of what we're doing here. Then we're going to left click on next. Most people are probably going to be using the 64-bit download, just putting that out there. So this is going to take about 15 more seconds to download. Shouldn't take too long. And once it's done, I'm just going to left click on it one time to open it up. I'm going to left click on run. Going to agree to the license terms and conditions, left click on install. This will take a moment, and if you receive any user account control prompts, left click on yes. So again, this will take a moment or so please be patient. And it should say setup successful, which is good. So close out of here. Would suggest restarting your computer, and hopefully your problem has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.